Start making your unconscious work for you. This is all about priming. Priming is a psychological process where exposure to a stimulus unconsciously influences your behavior and thoughts. To harness this power, surround yourself with images that symbolize strength and an iron mind. Studies have shown that set pictures unconsciously activate the brain by triggering positive associations. This leads to an increasing willingness to tackle challenges and persist longer toward goals by activating the amygdala and prefrontal cortex, thereby guiding behavior towards stronger mental performance and resilience. Certainty is an illusion. The fastest way to know if something is working for you is to try it. Learn to proceed without certainty. Life doesn't come with a trial period or a money-back guarantee. There is no GPS for your journey. No step-by-step guide to becoming who you are meant to be. Every day you are writing a story without knowing the ending. You can spend years theorizing, planning, and preparing. But until you take that first step, it's all just speculation. Life can only be understood backwards, but it must be lived forwards. You can't wait for certainty to start living. Because by the time you're certain, the moment has passed. Proceed without certainty and let go of the need to know everything. Navy SEALs use this secret tactic to become fearless. Navy SEALs train by imagining worst-case scenarios. This technique is called negative visualization and was already used by the ancient Stoics. This is the amygdala. It is primarily responsible for emotions and is also known as the fear center of our brain. All fears are processed right there. When we are confronted with a fear or a threat, it leads to activity in the amygdala. However, using negative visualization in advance leads to reduced activity in the amygdala, indicating desensitization toward threats and fears. You too can use this to get an iron mind. Just take 5 minutes every day to visualize the things you fear as vividly as possible. This reduces the actual fear you'll have when encountering them in real life.